You don't have to be a scientist to learn your risk for genetic COPD, a condition called alpha-1 antitrypsin deficiency, or alpha-1. Now with the FDA-cleared AlphaID at-home genetic health risk service and the AlphaID at-home saliva collection kit, you can discover your risk for alpha-1 from the comfort of home for free. To order your free AlphaID at-home saliva collection kit, visit AlphaID:athome.com. If you've already received your kit, let's discuss why it's important to discover your risk for alpha-1 and learn how to use AlphaID at home. COPD can have several causes, such as smoking or exposure to harmful environmental factors. But for some, COPD is actually caused by a genetic condition known as alpha-1 antitrypsin deficiency, or alpha-1 for short. This is also commonly referred to as genetic COPD. AlphaID at home makes it easier than ever to learn your risk for alpha-1 for free and with at least 99% accuracy. Treatment options may exist. Now, let's take a look inside your AlphaID at-home saliva collection kit and see how simple it is to collect your sample right at home. Your kit includes an instructions for use brochure, a saliva collection device, a special biospecimen bag, a record card with your unique barcode. You'll need this later to register your kit, and a mailer box with a prepaid return label. Now, let's register your kit and collect your sample. It's very important to register your kit at alphaidAthome.com/register as soon as you receive it. The site is secure, confidential, and HIPAA compliant. To register your kit, you'll need your unique barcode, which is located on the record card. You can also find the barcode on the saliva collection device. Once your kit is registered, follow these instructions closely to collect your saliva sample in just a few easy steps. Remember, do not eat, drink, smoke, or chew gum for 30 minutes before collecting your saliva sample. First, open the package and remove the saliva collection device, making sure not to touch the sponge tip against anything. Now, place the sponge as far back in your mouth as comfortable and rub along the lower gums in a back and forth motion. Gently rub your gums 10 times. If possible, avoid rubbing your teeth. Great job! Now, gently repeat the rubbing motion on the other side of your mouth, along the lower gums, an additional 10 times. All done? Now hold the tube upright to prevent the stabilizing liquid inside from spilling. Slowly unscrew the blue cap from the collection tube without touching the sponge, making sure not to spill the solution. Turn the cap upside down. Insert the sponge into the tube and close the cap tightly. Now, turn the cap tube upside down and shake it vigorously 10 times. Place the tube containing your saliva sample in the biospecimen bag provided and seal it tight as shown. Then place your sealed saliva sample in the mailer box. Make sure to keep the record card containing your unique barcode. Then, using the adhesive strip located on the mailer box, seal the box tightly across its entire length. You're almost done. Just place the boxed sample in the mail or take it to your nearest postal location. A prepaid return label is located on the back of the mailer box, so there's no cost to you. After you've mailed your sample, you will be updated along the way. You'll receive an email when the lab has received your sample. And when your AlphaID at-home genetic health risk service report is ready, you'll receive another email notification. To view your report, all you have to do is return to alphaidathome.com/view-report and sign in. Your report is kept confidential and can only be accessed by you when logging in with your password. No matter what your results are, it's important to share your report with your healthcare professional and for them to know you were screened for alpha-1. If you have questions, go to AlphaID:AtHome.com to find our FAQ page or to view contact information for our customer support team. We're here to help. Take the first step today and order your free AlphaID at-home saliva collection kit. If you learn you're at risk, there may be more you can do. Treatment options may exist. Visit AlphaID:AtHome.com.